vector እንላለን let us consider example this determine the magnitude of vector OB and AB ይላል O starts from what's O start from that is 1 1 is P arrives what terminalu terminate ያደረገው at 2 3 ነው ስለዚህ this is what the magnitude of OB is equal to what the distance between that is 2 minus 1 the whole square yes plus what's that 3 minus 1 the whole square which is equal to the square root of what 2 minus 1 is what that is 1 plus 3 minus 1 is what 2 2 square is what that is 4 which is equal to the square root of 5 ይሆናል this is a magnitude direction ያሳያል አያሳይም ስለዚህ magnitude የተባለበት ምክንያት magnitude ብቻ ነው ignore it the direction ማለት when it come to this one እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ a moves what ምን move አድርጓል እዚህ ጋር a 4 units to the east move አድርጓል then it moves what 3 units what to the north so the magnitude of what AB ማለት this is what you have to use what resultant or magnitude of this one using what Pythagoras theorem ነው ዝም እንሰራው ማለት Pythagoras theorem what is that which is equal to what AB this magnitude of this equal to what the square root of A let's say this is C AC square yes plus what this is CB square magnitude of this one which is equal to what no length of AB means what that means the magnitude of what u ይሆናል ማለት u ብለናል ይሄ length u ስለሆነ norm of u ወይም magnitude of u ይሆናል which is equal to the square root of what 4 square yes plus the square root of what 3 square that is 3 which is equal to the square root of 16 plus what that is 9 16 plus 9 is what this is the square root of what 25 the square root of 25 that is 5 unit ይሆናል ማለት በዛ አይነት መንገድ እናገኛለን ማለት we call this is how to find the magnitude of vector የሚለውን በዛ አይነት መንገድ እንወስዳለን ማለት ሁለቱ ፖይንቶች ከተሰጠን you have to apply what distance formula እንወስዳለን ነገር ግን the distance between two points as it is ከተሰጠን you have to use what you have to apply Pythagoras theorem apply እናደርጋለን ማለት we call this is the resultant magnitude እንለዋለን ወይም ደግሞ the sum of what AC plus BC እንላለን ማለት መደመር ማለት ነው ለምን መደመር ሆነ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ምንድነው term initial point አለ and with what terminal pointoቹ ከተያዙ we call this is addition እንለዋለን when you say that subtraction we'll see later